Are you
Yeah.
a pilot?
Yes, sir.
One question.
Okay.
When you descend in the air,
Yeah.
do you dip or do you go straight?
It's straight.
Straight?
A little more with the nose up. That's it.
But straight. You don't dip
Yeah.
into the...
No.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're
you.
welcome, sir.
I just got one question to ask. Flat or a ball? Flat or a ball?
Flat. Not a ball.
I think it's flat.
Yeah, me too.
Pretty flat to me.
Pleased to meet you guys. Guys, I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
I've been flying and I've come to the conclusion there is no curvature. I never allow for curvature. There's no way there's curvature. We're round and flat, aren't we?
Definitely.
We are, aren't we?
Flat as a
Thank
pancake,
you.
mate. Flat as a pancake.
The outer ring is south,
Yeah.
and so north must be in the middle, correct?
Possibly.
That would be the only way that a
Yeah.
magnetic compass would work on a flat plane.
Might be onto something there.
Hey, I just want to say thanks for the smooth flight. I did have one question. Is there like a specific angle of downward tilt you have to fly at to 3 degrees for the curvature of the Earth?
Oh, for the Earth?
Because
We just fly over the troposphere.
really, but do you have to keep like kind of going down because
No, we actually have to nose up. It flies.
really? Because I was reading some stuff on the flat Earth that made a lot of sense. Have you looked into it?
This one?
I was reading a lot of stuff on the flat Earth.
Okay, yeah. True.
Is this true?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, cool. Alright, God bless, brother.